Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Family Dollar haul. Yes, a Family Dollar haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to Family Dollar. And y'all, I usually don't go to this Family Dollar, but I had went out walking, trying to get a little exercise. And I said, let me go ahead and stop at a Family Dollar, see what they have, and, bring it to you all so, y'all can see what's out there at Family Dollar. So, y'all, went into the store. I should have just walked right back out because they didn't really have no baskets. They just had one basket and one person already had the baskets. They had the handle baskets, but I like a basket because then I can maneuver and with my phone and everything and see what, coupons that I have left and stuff like that. Excuse me. So I did this on my husband's card because I'm trying to save my card. Hopefully I can go Saturday and do the 5 off of 25. But I say card number, talking about number, telephone number. So I went on in and I was looking around. I'm like, oh, Lord, this one is a hot mess. So I went ahead and I was like, let me just take that out of my mind and just go find some products, okay? So the first one I got was the Tide. The Tide pods are on sale for $4.95. Yes, $4.95. And there is a $2 off digital coupon. Okay, and that attached. All right. The next thing I had got, y'all, was some Snuggle Scent, Snuggle Scent shakes. And I scanned it and it said that I had a coupon on there. Okay. But apparently, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it was because of the Wi-Fi in there. Y'all see, I don't have it out here because I'll let you know the reason. But I did purchase, and you're going to see on my receipt, I did purchase a Snuggle Scent, those shakes, okay? So then the next thing was I got the Colgate. The Colgate, these are $2.15 each. They was a little higher in these stores. Some stores have them for like $2, okay? But it all depends on your store. So this store, the prices was a little higher, which I expected. They are $2.15. There is a $5 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching to these, okay? And all of this is just digital, okay? These are digital, which is, the coupons are called smart coupons, okay? That's what they call. Then, the next thing is the Angel Salt. These 4 equals 8 double Angel Salts. They are $2.65. There is a 75 cents off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? So, yeah. When I went up to the cash register, put everything in, on there, I could tell the girl wasn't having a good time, a good day. But I just, wasn't paying attention to that, letting her scan my stuff. And then I put my number in while she was, scanning everything like I always do. But the cash, I can't even get it out. The cash register, not the cash register, but the computer on the, that was ringing things up when I put the pad and everything. It kept saying, it doesn't recognize my number. And I'm like, doesn't recognize my number? But I look on her and I see the end of my number on the keypad saying that it took my number, right? So the girl was just standing there. I'm like, what's wrong? She said, I had to tell her what's wrong. I had to ask her what's going on. And she was like, I don't know, it's just saying it's trying to find the customer. I'm like, trying to find a customer. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to remain calm. I'm not even going to say nothing. I'm just going to let it go on. So we go on. And then she finally, because she was like, well, where is it? I said, yes, you have your smart coupons that is on your app, which she didn't know what to do. She didn't know nothing about the app. She didn't know nothing about the coupons. And I was like, you know what? At this point, I'm not getting ready to school, to let her know or whatever. I just told her on you all's app, there are coupons, and they're called smart coupons that attaches to your product. So she said, well, can you show me? I'm saying to myself, oh my God. So I had to pull my phone out. I had to show her that the coupons are attaching to each one of them. Okay. So then it started to work. Okay. So it came off and she said my total. And I was like, okay. And I said to myself, no, that's not right. My total should be at least, what was it? $2, no, $1.95 less. And I was like, something didn't go right. Excuse me. So she went ahead and I just went ahead and paid. So when I took it out, I looked on her and I said, everything didn't come off. Because she was saying everything came off. How they look on it. I was like, no, everything didn't come off. I said, the snuggle cents didn't come off. It should have been $2. And then she's going to argue me down telling me it did. And I told her, no, it does not say smart coupon up under the product. So I'm getting ready to show you all. So my subtotal was $10.25. So let me show you all my receipt. All right. You see where it says Tide Pods? $4.95 is the sales price. Regular price is $5.25. Then the smart coupon says $2, right? Then you see the Colgate, both the Colgates. Then here we go. Snuggle Scent Shakes, $3.95. I had a $2 off digital coupon that actually attached to this. So do you all see, you don't see a smart coupon up under there, do you? But she want to say, yes, it is. And I told her, I don't see what you looking at. I said, but I don't show that. And I know how to spell. By that time, I was like, oh, my goodness. I said, I know what it says. I said, if you look right here, what does that say? So you should see that right there, too. But, I just said, forget it. I'm not going to argue with her. So what I did was tell her, I said, here, take this back. And I want to exchange. And I want my refund. So she got a little upset. I didn't care. But my subtotal was $10.25. That's what I paid out of pocket. But I got back it was actually $4 and I think 19 cents or something like that she gave me back. And she didn't give me a receipt for it, but I was like, because I asked, I said, do I get a receipt for this? And she's like, no, but it did come back. It should come back on my money, my card. Here it is, smart savings coupons, $7.75 is how much I had saved. But y'all, yesterday, I would not do couponing in this store, okay? I would not. I would pass that one up, and I would go to another one. But I was just close to where I was walking, trying to get me a little exercise, trying to get my mind together. But y'all, this right here is my Family Dollar haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss London's Channel.